What it is, family?
It's Ming
and James, and today we are making vegetarian cheesesteaks.
So good.
Let go.
I love you like la 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 la.
It's been a while though. I cooked ground turkey once. It's so weird. Like the consistency.
add about 3 tablespoons of mayo. And if you guys like mayo, don't be afraid to put more. It gives it that extra punch of flavor. So I'm gonna add a little bit more right here. And voila! You have your beautiful vegetarian cheesesteaks, y'all. My goodness.
It smells so good.
I really hope we are transforming some of our meat eaters into at least vegetarians.
Or just try it. Just try it.
Try it though, because that's the reason why we have not looked back.
It still tastes like a regular cheesesteak. It's not like it tastes vegetarian. It tastes like I'm eating a cheesesteak.
Now don't get me wrong, they do have different types of like meat crumbles. I have tried a lot of different types, but Beyond Meat is the best. So these look beautiful. I'm not even gonna sweat you, my dog.
I put a little bit of jalapenos on mine.
She loves
I
jalapenos.
go spice.
A little hot. All right, let's bite this mug.
Really good. Success.
I can't even talk. Basically, like saying if I go to Philly and make them some vegetarian,
They wouldn't know it's
they
vegetarian.
wouldn't know. They wouldn't know. Man, it's got the juiciness, all the juices that a cheesesteak has. The oils, the peppers. I taste it all. All.
I can't even keep my eyes straight. What type of bread do we get? It's really soft. I don't like when the bread is super, super hard.
This is the brioche bread. Get brioche buns for sure. It's not as chewy as other buns can be, other sub buns can be, but definitely get the brioche bun. It'll work really well with it. Oh man. I can't honestly keep forgetting we actually were filming, to tell you the truth.
We like to just dig in and eat.
Yeah. But I want to, smush this into my face, but this is not a mukbang. This is only a how-to. DIY.
It's a
B-U-Y.
a little sneak peek mukbang.
You hear me? All right? Now, please, I want somebody to try this and let us know if you like this, okay? Literally, Beyond Meat crumbles. Cook them down like any other type of meat. Add all your flavors just like you would do in
It
a
only
cheesesteak.
took like 10 minutes on like a high heat.
And you do your onions and your peppers, and you can add any other vegetables that you like, and go to town. But this is really good. about to eat this one and give me another one. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.
And if you aren't following us on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, our handles are also in the description below. And as always, see you next time.